New we17x10010 motor, have GE dbsr453gboww, need wiring instructions.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is XXXXX I look forward to helping you. The wiring instructions, with pictures, are below. Match the numbers from the old switch to the numbers on the new switch. If you have any other questions, please let me know. You may continue asking follow-up questions until you have all the information you need, even after rating my service. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.